Hi, today we're going to make lemon pound cake. So first you're going to need 1 cup of sugar, to which we add 2 large eggs. If the eggs aren't very large, I recommend that you put 3 eggs. And then you add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And then you add half a cup of vegetable oil. And then you take lemon and you grind it, and you peel, and then you put the peel in, and you add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you want, you can put lemon extract instead of vanilla. I put vanilla, and then I added half a cup of lemon juice. It's natural lemon juice. And then we mix it all together. And then we add 1.5 cups of flour slowly. Sometimes you need to add a little bit more, and sometimes you need to add less. So this depends on the size of the eggs. And if it's too stiff, you can add a little bit more of orange juice. It has to have like this texture. And if it's too dry, you can add a little bit more of lemon juice. And if it's too liquidy, you can add a bit more flour. Then you just put it in a mold. You just pour it in a mold. I used a silicone mold, and you can use any type of mold. Sometimes I make it in a square mold and I cut it into little squares. And then you just place it in an oven. It has to be moderate, not too hot. I say more or less 200 centigrades. And when it's done, you can see that it's turned brownish. And then we're going to make the icing. You add like the juice of half a lemon, and we add powdered sugar to it. We mix it until it thickens. Once it thickens, it's ready. It should be more or less like this. It doesn't have to be too dry, so it will drip on the cake, otherwise it will stay very stiff. And we just pour it on the cake. You can make like a little design like this and leave it like that with a spoon. Or you can place it all on top of it like I did, because my daughters love it, the icing, so that's like their favorite part. And so if you like my recipes, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, activate the bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any comments, please leave them. I will read them. If you want me to upload any other recipe, or you have any doubts about this one, I will be answering you and if I can do any recipes that you guys would like to see. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys will make this pound cake. It's absolutely delicious.